How to lock apps in Windows 11 and 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to enhance your security by locking apps in Windows 10 and 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. First, let's open up a web browser. We need to download a specific application to lock our apps. Go ahead and search for OHSOFT, that means OSoft website. This is the developer of Subhamdi PC tools that we'll be using today. Once you're in the site, look for the download link for the OSoft exe, click on it, and then your download should begin shortly. After the download is completed, open your File Explorer and navigate to the download folder. You should see the application file there. Now, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation. You'll see an administrator pop up asking for permission. Go ahead and agree to do it. Follow the setup instructions to install the application. Once it's installed, you should be ready to lock your apps. You need to simply enter the password and then confirm your password. Once you have done that, you need to enter your recovery email address and confirm the recovery email address. After you have done all of this, you need to hit OK. Now you will be prompted to this window. In order to lock the apps, you need to click on the plus icon located at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you can select any files or folders that you want to lock. Once you have made your decisions, simply select the file and then click on OK. Now you can see that your selected file has been locked. In order to unlock it, simply click on the unlock option over here, and that's it. You've successfully locked apps in Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.